involves me doing what I love doing, and that is feeding my guests. So today we are going to create a very simple yet highly stylish almond and herb crusted fillet of salmon. Such simple ingredients coming together that, trust me, I'm going to shock you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit on the bell icon as we get to creating it. You want this to be highly flavorful, so into a bowl goes in about nearly a tablespoon and a half of chopped rosemary, nearly a tablespoon and a half of chopped fresh oregano, and lastly nearly a tablespoon and a half of dehydrated thyme. Just allow this herby goodness to mix together. Into this goes nearly about 20 to 30 mils of honey. Just mix it up for that sweetness, and honey does something to salmon. And lastly, in goes nearly a tablespoon of some stone ground mustard. Just pour that in for that zing that it brings. In goes a teaspoon of beautiful black pepper powder. Just allow this to emulsify. You can add a little bit of extra virgin olive oil to thin this down a bit. A few drops of extra virgin olive oil, nearly 5 mils, not more than that. And just emulsify all this together. Dump this over a 1.5 kg fillet of salmon. And we're just going to slather it right to every nook and cranny of it. Some smokiness, and that comes together with some smoked chipotle sea salt. Just an overload to transcend it, and if you can see, I've added the salt now because I want the burst of herby goodness to transcend first. Now to create that simple almond crust that nestles on top, while I'm using almond meal flour, you can go right ahead and use a mix along with some walnuts. So 1 cup of almond meal flour. Into this goes a heaped teaspoon of some onion powder, a level teaspoon of some garlic powder, and you want to give it some dehydrated herbs as well. A teaspoon of some dehydrated oregano and some dehydrated parsley. Just mix it all up really well together. And now this lightly packs atop that salmon. Lightly pack the herbed almond meal on top, and this bakes in a preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. At 190 degrees centigrade. 25 minutes I said, but I did leave it in for another 5 minutes because I wanted the honey to caramelize a little bit. I'm just going to drizzle some toasted sesame oil on top just for that flavor enhancer, and garnish this only with some lemon wedges. And lastly, a little drizzle of some parsley to bring out some color. Though this is not the prettiest to look at, be rest assured the taste is bang on. I hope you enjoyed creating my birthday meal with me. Don't forget to share loads of love by hitting on the like button. Stay safe, stay blessed, and don't forget to leave a note below.